Visit AnyExpat for relocation assistance.
Imagine retiring in Italy. Waking up to sunshine, drinking espresso in a medieval piazza, and enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle. Now imagine paying just 7% tax on your pension income. Yes, really. Italy has created one of Europe's most attractive retirement tax programs, and surprisingly, many retirees still don't know it exists. In this video, we'll break down Italy's 7% flat tax regime, who qualifies, how much you can save, and how you can apply. Italy introduced the 7% flat tax regime for foreign pensioners in 2019. The goal was simple: attract international retirees to smaller towns in southern Italy that are losing population. Here's how it works. If you qualify and move to a small municipality in southern Italy, you can pay just 7% tax on your foreign pension income for up to 10 years. Instead of paying Italy's normal progressive tax rates, which can reach 25% to 46%, your pension income is taxed at a simple, flat 7% rate. Even better, no regional taxes, no municipal taxes, simplified tax filing. For retirees, that can mean tens or even hundreds of thousands of euros saved. To benefit from the program, you must meet a few key requirements. First, you must receive a foreign pension. This could include government pensions, private or occupational pensions, social security benefits, multiple pension sources combined. Second, you cannot have been an Italian tax resident for the past 5 years. Third, you must move your tax residence to Italy. And finally, you must live in a small municipality with fewer than 20,000 residents in specific southern regions. These include Sicily, Puglia, Calabria, Sardinia, Campania, Basilicata, Abruzzo. Molise major cities and regional capitals don't qualify. The program focuses on smaller towns and villages. Some of the most beautiful places in Italy are eligible. In Sicily, you'll find charming towns near Syracuse, Ragusa, and Taormina. In Puglia, famous destinations like Ostuni, Martina Franca, and Cisternino offer white stone villages and stunning coastlines. Calabria is known for its dramatic cliffs and seaside towns like those around Tropea. And Abruzzo offers medieval hill towns with mountains and beaches nearby, just 2 hours from Rome. These regions offer lower living costs, authentic culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Let's look at 2 examples. Example 1, a retiree with a 30,000 euros annual pension. Under normal Italian taxation, they might pay about 7,950 euros per year. Under the 7% regime, only 2,100 euros in taxes. That's 5,850 euros saved every year, or 58,500 euros over 10 years. Now let's look at a higher pension. Example 2, a couple with 60,000 euros in pension income. Normally, they could pay over 20,000 euros in taxes annually. With the flat tax regime, just 4,200 euros. That's 15,900 euros saved every year, or 159,000 euros over 10 years. The 7% rate applies to foreign-sourced income. This includes foreign pension payments, social security benefits, retirement account withdrawals, annuity payments. You can also choose to include other foreign income such as rental income, investment income, capital gains, all taxed at the same 7% flat rate. The program lasts 10 years. Once you become a tax resident in Italy and opt into the regime, the clock starts. For example, if you move in 2025, the regime would run from 2025 through 2034. After that, normal Italian taxation applies. And unfortunately, the program cannot be renewed or extended. Applying for the regime is fairly straightforward. You must apply in your first year as an Italian tax resident. The application is submitted with your tax return to the Italian tax authority, Agenzia delle Entrate. You'll need documentation such as proof of residence in a qualifying municipality, evidence you weren't an Italian tax resident for 5 years, pension documentation, identification and tax code. Most retirees hire an Italian tax accountant, called a commercialista, to handle the process. Italy's 7% flat tax regime is one of the most attractive retirement incentives in Europe. Combine that with affordable living in southern Italy, excellent healthcare, rich culture and cuisine, stunning landscapes, and you get a retirement lifestyle that's hard to beat. For the right retiree, this program isn't just a tax benefit. It's an opportunity to experience La Dolce Vita, the sweet life in Italy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, would you move to Italy for a 7% tax rate?
Visit AnyExpat for relocation assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe.